Welcome to Positive Playhouse. Today, we're going to learn about different directions and positions with our friends Big Bird, Elmo, and Cookie Monster.
Me, Cookie Monster, I'm on the right. I'm on the right side.
And Elmo, I'm in the middle. In between Cookie Monster and Big Bird.
And Big Bird is on the left. Now, I, Big Bird, am on the top.
And me, Elmo, I'm in the middle again, sitting on the chair.
And me, Cookie Monster, I am under Elmo on the ground. I'm on the bottom.
Whoa! I jumped down and now I'm in front of Cookie Monster.
Oh, Big Bird, what are you doing in front of Cookie Monster? I came down now and I am in front of Big Bird.
Yeah, Cookie Monster is in the back. And now, Elmo, you are in the front.
So that must mean I'm in the middle.
Yeah, Big Bird, you're in the middle now.
And now, I'm on the top of the chair. I am up.
And I am down. Elmo is down. Elmo is below Cookie Monster. Elmo is under the chair.
Now Big Bird is sitting on the chair with Cookie Monster.
And I'm under both of you.
Yeah, I can't even see Elmo. Where'd Elmo go? Elmo? There you are. I see you now. We are outside of the car. Out of the car.
Now we are inside the car. We are in the car.
Bye, friends. Bye, Cookie Monster. Bye, Elmo. Bye, Big Bird. Thanks for teaching us about different positions and directions, like up and down, under, on top, in front of, behind, in the middle, between, above, and below. That was so many different words. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.
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 Bye. See you later.